This is the David's House Rube Goldberg machine 2015, and the end goal of this machine is to create a distraction in order to chop Will right in the throat. So, to start off, this phone is going to receive a text message. It will then vibrate and slide down the book into this line of soap, which will knock off that final slope, which will cause the side to drop, which will pull the trigger on that Nerf gun. The Nerf gun is armed with a needle point dart, which will hit that balloon, pop it, and then allow that tube to go down and deposit the ball into that cup. That cup will then pull that cup out of the stack there, and then the very top one is attached to the ceiling, and it will serve as a pendulum to swing through here and hit that line right there. The line will then release that ball via pulling that pin out, and the ball will slide down my Nordic skis down here, and then it will hit a button right there on this power switch. The power switch then turns on this fan. This fan will push this little thing, which happens to be a track metal with a duct tape on it, across my room on a zip wire, which will then run into this carabiner right here. This carabiner will then be knocked out the window, and it will continue on to the outdoor stages. The carabiner will go all the way down this line until it hits this green thing. This green thing is supporting that stick, and that stick has a pin stuck in this wood in front of the truck. When the stick pulls the pin, the truck will roll out and turn the wheel. The turning of the wheel will cause this shoe to fall off, and that shoe is connected to the windshield wiper thing on my truck. And then once that's pulled, the windshield wipers will move, and then this little green bag of tennis balls will go off, and then that will pull out a pin up there that will cause a soccer ball to go off and fall into that chair. Once the soccer ball hits this chair, this will activate the mousetrap. The mousetrap completes the circuit of the potato cannon. As you can see, one lead is connected to this copper snapping piece here, and the other lead is connected to a piece of aluminum foil on the bottom. So once that snaps, it will complete the lead of this air cannon, which will then launch, hopefully hitting this cardboard right here. This cardboard will ensure that the shovel falls over, thus knocking over my machete, which will chop this fishing line that's holding this block up. This block up here will then fall down on this teeter-totter, which will throw the keys in the air. The keys, once in the air, will provide an ample distraction for Jake to chop Will clean in the jugular.